Say what's up. Alright guys, welcome to the video. Got you guys on my forehead right now. We are going to uninstall my Grimspeed top mount intercooler. Selling it to a guy. He's picking it up today. So that's going to be this video right now. Uninstalling the Grimspeed intercooler. Basically just going to do a time lapse on my forehead. So let's get it done.
I'm spending all of my dough, I'm spending all of my cash. All this money that I ever had, I put that shit on my tab. 12 o'clock and I'm fucked up. Oh damn, I'm smashed. I got fine women and fine drinks, and I'm trying to make this shit last. It's Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. Let me get it on a Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. Yeah. I got to the club and it's turned the fuck up and it's hot as a sauna. What a surprise. Look at that girl. Damn, she thinks she's hot as Rihanna. She thinks she's a young Madonna. I'll give that 7 or 8 at the best. 9 if I'm staring down straight at your chest. 10 if I'm drinking as late as the chefs. I'll say I'm impressed when I see someone standing out. Not the ones that keep on handing out booty like change. They moody and strange, like Judge Judy on stage. What? That's an analogy. I hope you're proud of me. I've been undoubtedly spending much more than my salary offers me hourly. Fuck it, this liquor empowers me. I'm spending all of my dough. I'm spending all of my cash. All this money that I ever had, I put that shit on my tab. 12 o'clock and I'm fucked up. Oh damn, I'm smashed. I got fine women and fine drinks, and I'm trying to make the shit last. It's Friday.
What's good?
Homie,
You're on the vlog.
Right?
Look like a
Let me get it
just
on
right
Friday.
here. What's up, Isaac?
Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. Ordering shots of tequila, that shit got me stuck in a daze. I can't believe that I'm still on my feet. Matter of fact, I'm fucking amazed. I don't think I feel my face.
It's a party out here.
Keeps losing its taste.
I don't like that shirt.
Don't like that shirt? Or you do like that?
I'm not sure I like that shirt.
Alright,
Alright, well, ending. Say bye.
Later.